Now for your half worksheet, polynomial functions, sketch a graph that. I don't have the actual copy in front of me, so I wrote down the first problem. In this case, we want to sketch a graph that is a cubic function, positive lead coefficient, and only one real zero. So I'm going to draw a graph to sketch it. First thing I recognize, it's cubic function. And a cubic function, if you look at our chart, tells me that cubic means that the degree is 3. And when a degree is 3, I know that it's going to be an odd function, and I know that there are going to be 3 zeros. So the next thing I see, it's a positive lead coefficient. Positive lead coefficient tells me that it is going to finish going up to the right. And so positive lead coefficient, I know it's going to finish up. Because it is odd, I know it has to start, or on the left side it's going to be the opposite. So if it's up on the right, it means it's down on the left. Now, what else do we know? We have 3 zeros, but only one of them is a real zero. So there's one point where it's going to cross the x-axis. And so I'm going to choose to make it right here, but you can put it anywhere along here that you want to. But that's the only place that I'm allowed to cross the x-axis. But if there's 3 zeros, that means I need like 3 segments. So I need to go up, down, up. And so I'm going to go cross, there's one real zero. Now I'm going down, there's my second real zero, second imaginary zero. And then I go back up for the third imaginary zero. And so this is a cubic function. There are 3 sections to the graph. Think of separating it here, one going up, one going down, another one going up. Positive lead coefficient, it finishes up. One real zero only touches the x-axis in one point. So that's my graph. There's a couple variations that it could be, but this is one example of this cubic function.